Hi, kindergarten. It's Thinking Thursday, and on Thinking Thursday, we do our Smart Start paper and we do our journal writing. Okay, kindergarten? So Mrs. Castellano is going to start here with her Smart Start paper. Can you guys see my Smart Start paper? So you know you have to write your name on the top line, your first and last. Mrs. Castellano has to write upside down, so it's a little bit tricky for her. Mrs. Castellano. Okay. Now I'm going to make a capital I. We start from the sky, we pull down to the ground, and we cross at the sky and we cross at the ground. Do you guys remember how many of those we make? Did you say 5? You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, kindergarten, you can make more if you want to. The lowercase starts at the gate, goes to the ground. We make 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make more if you want to. Don't worry. And then we do a capital and a lowercase, and then we can make 3 sets of this. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then you have to come up with an I word. Okay? So your parents can help you spell your I word. It can be anything that you can think of. I'm going to write the word island because Mrs. Castellano wishes she was on an island right now, as I'm sure all of your parents do. Okay. ISLAND. Okay. There we go. So there's my Smart Start paper. When you're finished, maybe your parents can give you a star. Okay. Kindergarten. Also, I don't have a journal, an extra journal, but you guys have your journal. So take out your journal, and I want you to write a sentence. I'm going to use this to write my sentence, and then I'll draw my picture on the back. But yours has the lines down here, and then a space for your picture up here. Okay. So make sure you write it. So, I'm going to write my sentence about Luke and Jessie. Okay, ready? So, Luke. I know how to spell Luke's name. Luke and. I know how to spell and because and is a sight word. And Jessie. They both get capital letters. Why do they get capital letters, guys?
Because it's their name.
Yeah, Luke and Jessie. And I started with a capital, even though it's a name. I have spaces between my words. Luke and Jessie. Like. I know how to spell like too because that's also a sight word. Like. Remember the E is silent. Like to. I know how to spell to because that's a sight word. Luke and Jessie like to use. Oh, that's a U. Use. Oh, there's an S. Oh, use their. There is a hard word to sound out, kindergarten. And Mrs. Castellano. That's one of Mrs. Castellano's sight words. I'm just going to add an E there because that's the way you really spell it. Luke and Jessie like to use their imaginations. I am in nation. I'm using my stretchy to snake to try. Oops, I went too far. We all make mistakes, so yes, we do. Imagination. Okay, kindergarten, and I end with a period. I started with a capital. I have spaces between my words, and I ended with an end mark. Now I can turn it over and I can draw a picture. Well, Luke and Jessie have been doing a lot of Legos right now, so I'm just going to draw them. Just remember, Mrs. Castellano wasn't given the gift of drawing, so they have a rug down in the basement. It's blue. So here's Luke. Or Jessie. I'll make Luke a little bit taller because he's older. So Luke, they both have like brown hair. Jessie has a little bit of yellow in his hair. They both have green eyes. So I'm going to give them some eyes. They're both smiling because they're so happy to be home, especially Jessie. They got noses. Okay, now for their bodies. Okay. So Luke's favorite color is red. So I'm going to give him a red shirt. This is what I need Glenn to help me draw. Huh? Oh, Luke only has 3 fingers on that hand. Oh, let's give him a couple fingers. Okay. And he's got some pants. Luke always wears pants. Thank you, Luke. And he's on his knees because he's building with his Lego blocks. Draw some blocks over here. He's building a Harry Potter Lego right now. And he's got some blocks. And let's draw Jesse's. Jesse's favorite color is green, just like mine. Jesse is working on a Lego movie Lego set, right? Oh, Jesse's on his knees too. Jesse always wears pants too, so there he goes. Oh yeah, sometimes. So Jesse's working on a Lego that is from the Lego movie. Lego Movie 2. What is it, Jesse, you're making?
It's the spaceship from the beginning.
The spaceship, cool. So there's Jesse and Luke. They are using their imaginations. I guess they're not because they're following directions, but they're building. Okay, kindergarten. So there's Mrs. Castellano's journal entry, and there's her entry and her drawing. And we're also doing math today, kindergarten. We are doing page 93 and 94. Okay? So here's your math book. We have to chunk it. We can't just do one page at a time, or it's going to take us a long time to find page 93, 94. So I'm grabbing a bunch. I'm on page 39 now, so I got to keep going because 93 is more. I grabbed a bunch more. I'm on 81. 93 is more than 81, so I have to keep going. Oh, I'm on 91. Now I can do page by page. Okay, kindergarten. We are doing addition with number bonds today. Can you see this? You see this? Oh, pretzels are making me hungry. Okay, it says complete the number bonds and complete the number sentence. So here's what you have to do. You have to count how many pretzels are in this bag and write the number. Then you can count how many pretzels are in this bag and write the number, and then how many altogether. So let's take a look at this. 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Castellano is going to write 3. How many are in here? Did you say 2? Okay, now let's count how many altogether. 3 plus 2 equals how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So now we have to move these numbers over to the number bond. Okay? So this is the sum. The sum always goes in the circle by itself. How many are all together, right? So we can write a 3 here and a 2 here. Those are the parts. And this is the total. The total sum is 5. There you go. See if you can do this one by yourself. You're going to count the popsicle sticks in the green, put it here. The popsicle sticks in the yellow, put it here. How many popsicle sticks all together? And then fill out the number bond. Okay? Let's take a look over here. This is just more addition sentences with the beads. So they did the first one for you a little bit. They didn't give you the sum. So they counted the red beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2. 2 equals how many all together, kindergarten? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing here. They already gave you the red beads plus the green beads. So how many all together? What is the answer? When you see this sign, you're saying how many all together? 4 plus 3 equals how many? So you're going to do the same thing here. But they put the sum first. See? So you have to put how many all together, and then you put the parts over here. Does that make sense? Let's do this one together. 1 red bead. 1 red bead. How many green beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1 plus 6 equals, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. See if you can do that one by yourself. Make sure you see that the sum is here. That's how many all together. Okay, and you put the parts over here. Okay, kindergarten, that's our math and our English language arts for today. If you have any questions, please have your parents call me or email me. Okay, and I will talk to you later. Bye.